Prepare to elevate every drive with the 2024 Hyundai KONA Electric Preferred, an SUV that combines sleek design, advanced tech, and eco-friendly living. This electric car goes the distance with an impressive 415 kilometers estimated range on a single charge and fast charging capability to keep your adventures rolling. Designed with convenience in mind, the Kona Electric Preferred comes equipped with built-in navigation, remote start for easy mornings, and a rear camera to make parking a breeze. Heated seats and a heated steering wheel ensure warmth and comfort, while features like blind spot collision avoidance assist and lane keeping assist keep you safe on every drive. Plus, it includes a charging cable, stylish alloy wheels, and comes protected by a factory warranty for total peace of mind. Step inside the spacious, thoughtfully designed cabin to find smart connectivity like a 12.3-inch dual-screen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and premium touches that make every ride a luxurious escape. Our 2024 Hyundai Kona Electric Preferred is more than just a car. It's the ultimate blend of sustainability, innovation, and reliable fun. Who says you have to compromise to do good?
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way.